Hi guys, welcome back to the Core Python programming course. So in today's video, we'll be talking about binary, octal and hexadecimal numbers in Python, how to represent them, and in the towards the end we'll solve a problem using Python. So binary numbers are nothing but combination of zeros and ones. All right. So computer understands only zeros and ones. So if we type the number, like for example 3, the computer sees it as 0011. So if we sometimes type it D and this hexadecimal number is converted to binary and the computer sees it as, in order to understand the letter D, the computer sees this as 1101. All right. So that's binary numbers. Binary numbers are just combination of zeros and ones. So if you see here, 0 means 0, 0 is 0, 0, 0, 1, 2 is 0, 0, 1, 0. So this is how the decimal numbers, the numbers that we use it in everyday life, this is how they are represented in the computer language. All right. So let's go to the octal numbers. Octal numbers are of the base 8. So you'll see numbers in octal base from 0 to 7. There won't be 8 because here already 8 digits are there. And then the next number starts from 10 to 17, and then after that it skips to 18 and 18 goes to 20. So hexadecimal 20 is number 16 in decimal. So number 10 in octal base is represented in the number 12. There is a method to find to convert from octal to decimal, but that's not that's out of scope for this topic. So in this topic we'll be talking how to represent them in Python. All right. And hexadecimal numbers are of base 16, and you see the letter A is 10 until up to F is there. F is 16. All right. Sorry, 15. So up to 15 is there, from 0 to 15, and the number 10 is reference 16. Then it continues, it'll go on, and then again uses combination of these numbers and these letters. We'll do a program on it, then you'll be able to understand how we can convert this to binary or binary to octal. We can see it. Okay. So in order to represent binary numbers in Python, got to use this prefix b. It can be small b or capital B, and this is 0. All right, this is 0. So and just 0b, and you can add the zeros and ones this side. So 0b should be the prefix before the binary digits. We'll see an example and you'll get to know it. An octal number is 0 and O. It can be small o or capital O. Just remember, this one is 0, this one is O, and 145. They are just numbers in octal digits. Hexadecimal, you have to use the number 0 and the word X. Can be capital or small. Now let's see in our next program how to convert binary or octal or hexadecimal numbers into decimal number, the normal numbers that we see. So let me take the compiler. I'll paste this code in description also, so in case you want to copy, you can just copy and paste it. So we are assigning the variable n1 with this data 0b1110010, and this is a comment, means the Python compiler just skips anything that starts with this character, and it is used for your personal understanding. Comments, I'll make another video, a special video on comments, and this is just for your understanding. N1, we are storing the binary number, and N2 we are storing the octal number, that is 0017, and in N3 we are storing the data at the hexadecimal number in that form, 0x1c2. So this is how you represent binary, octal and hexadecimal numbers in Python. And what we are doing here is we are converting this into a normal number. So these are not to convert to normal number. We use the function called int. So if you type, I'm just typing the same thing, int n1. So it will convert this binary. Int is a function, in an inbuilt function written by the Python developers. All you have to just type is the word int. So int will convert whatever that is inside it into a integer number. So whatever the value this n1 holds, it will convert into integer number. So that's why we are printing. And whatever is given inside single quotes, or you can also use double quotes if you want. Python takes single quotes, double quotes, and triple quotes. You can, whatever you want to display as a string or so as a character, group of characters, you can put it inside the double quotes or single quotes. And here is the variable, so this result, the converted number or the data is stored in the variable len. You can also reuse a variable, just that this, whatever the result is stored in this first len will be replaced by this n. All right. And so here let's run the program and see. So here you see binary number, this binary number, you see this binary number, this is the code for it. So we are trying to get the output of n, what is stored in n. So binary of 110010 is 114 in decimal number, and in here we are trying to replace the variable n with a new value that is converting the n2, which has the octal number, and we are converting it into an integer number. And we can, that's how you use Python to convert between number systems. Same goes for the hexadecimal number. Here n3 as hexadecimal number, it is converted to integer using this function int and stored in the variable n. It's actually replaced. The older value is replaced by the newer value, and we are trying to print it. So if you want to print a value, just use comma. Just always remember to use the comma. So you run it and pause the video and try to write this code for yourself. It's a basic course and it'll be really helpful if you can just start coding from now. Let's see the next slide. And this is a program to convert decimal to binary octal hexadecimal. So let's say that we are inputting uh, a decimal number, for example. So in this program, we'll see how to convert a decimal number, that is the normal digit, the digit we use in a day-to-day life, that number system, into a binary or octal or hexadecimal. So in this variable a, we are storing the digit 10, and we create another variable b and we use the function bin. So bin means binary. Bin means binary. So this is an inbuilt function, and it converts whatever digit or the value is inside this variable a, it converts into binary. And it's inbuilt functions, you don't have to code extra and all for it, just developed by the Python developers. And you print b. Let's run the program. So here is the output for the conversion of 10 to binary. And in this we see that instead of, we can just skip this line. Instead of assigning a new variable, we can directly write the function in the print section itself. In the print function itself, you can type this code instead of this. I just commented out for understanding. B equal to opt a, just like this. Instead of that, you can directly put opt a inside the print function, and while it is dynamically running, it'll find the result and prints it out. Same way, hexadecimal is an inbuilt function. It converts whatever the values inside a, that is 10, into hexadecimal. So this is how you convert between number systems. So start practicing this course, pause the video, type this code for yourself. I'll also leave this code in the description. And if you start coding now, so it's going to be really useful in your later in the later videos. You'll be able to understand everything smoothly. So till then, see you in the next video. Have a great day. All right. Okay, bye.